So, yeah, these are my favorite shoes of all time. So, the same thing. I don't know the numbers, so. And if your shoe screens are really dingy, you take them out, hand wash them, or replace them. A lot of times, I would just replace them. But you see, it's overall, it cleans these babies up. Yeah, my shoe screens are dingy, dirty. Yeah, these is the best. And I'm using a microfiber cloth. Don't use a cloth that probably will release dye. So when you do it, use a microfiber cloth. That ain't gonna shed no color. But just overall, the best cleanser on the planet. I'm just gonna spray some on the gym shoes, on the shoe screens, but normally I will manually take them out and do them, because that ain't really doing it no justice. I could do it this way, but it'll be much cleaner if you take them out and hand wash them. Or, like I said, you can replace them, put some new ones in there. So these are my 2 of all times favorite. But that Awesome is the best cleanser for them. Have you see? Okay, bring that white back. I love it. Okay, so you see? Compared to this dirty one. See the difference? So yeah, guys. It is the best thing on the planet to clean your Jordans. So you guys have an awesome day. Do some shoe cleaning today. Toodles!